Let's start by navigating to the Insights section. Once there, click the Create Infoboard button to access the Infoboard templates. From the template gallery, let's choose the blank template and pick the Designer Layout option. Now it's time to choose the Infoboard source. Select the Query Source option. You will be now redirected to the Query Source Builder. Start by naming your query source. Choose the required data source from the list of preconfigured data sources. In this demo, we'll select the sales data source. In the query editor, write your query and click on the play button to execute the query. Once verified, click on the Save option to link the query source with your Infoboard. Now let's add a widget to your Infoboard. Drag and drop the desired widget from the component panel onto your Infoboard. Navigate to the Configure tab and choose the Configured Query Source. Select the required measures and dimensions for your widget. To format the measure, click on the gear icon close to the measure name. Define the aggregator, prefix, format, precision, and suffix for the measure as required. And there you have it, you've successfully configured a widget using a query source in Infoveave.